In this video, I'm going to explain what inflation is. The money today will buy less stuff next year. Whether it's dollars, rupees, or yuan, that's inflation. But what is it really? Inflation is when prices go up across the economy over time. Your tea or coffee, your rent, your groceries, everything costs more. But here's the twist. It's not just about expensive stuff. It's about your money losing purchasing power. 20 years ago, a meal at a restaurant might cost you just 100 units of your currency. Today, the same meal could be 300 or 400 units. That's inflation. The food didn't get 3 times better. Your money got weaker. Think of it like this. Inflation is your money going on a diet. Same note in your wallet, but it can buy less and less. 3 main causes worldwide. Demand pull, too many people buying, not enough products available. Prices shoot up. Cost push. When raw materials, fuel or wages increase, businesses raise prices to maintain profits. Money supply. When governments print too much money, each unit of currency becomes worth less. Here's why these matters to you. No matter where you live, your salary might stay the same, but if inflation is 5%, you're actually getting a 5% pay cut in real terms. Your savings? Losing value every single day sitting in the bank. This is why smart investors globally buy assets, stocks, real estate, gold, to beat inflation. Global inflation rates vary from 3% to over 10% in different countries. That means every year you need more money just to maintain the same lifestyle. Understanding inflation is step 1 to protecting your wealth. Want to know how central banks worldwide fight inflation? Drop a comment and I'll cover it next. I'm the 102nd Economist, making economics simple 100 seconds at a time. Subscribe so you never miss out.